Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a team in NBA 2K26. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is just select this option My NBA. Again we need to select the My NBA option. So here you need to choose New Save. Next they'll ask you to choose the era, like you can choose LeBron era, Jordan era, or whatever you wanna proceed with. I'll just proceed with modern era. Then you're gonna see window like this. So here we need to highlight the first option, setup options, and just hit Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. Once you do that, you need to enable this one, customize league, and just get back. Just hit start key now or option key. Once you do that, select this option add new and just go for add expansion team. Right here they'll ask you how you wanna build this expansion team. You can go for create your own team, use a pre-built team, or download team design. I'll go with create your own team. Then here firstly we need to select the first option and just choose the city. So for the sake of this video I'll go with this one. Okay, then we'll just go to team branding. So here you can choose the team identity, like choosing the city name and all that kind of stuff. I'll go with default. So here you need to enter the team name. Once you do that, select the abbreviation and just change that according to preference. I'll just choose LL. Then just select the option continue. Here you have the option for team colors as well. So just choose the primary color from here. So primary color in my case would be something like red. Okay, then I can choose the secondary color to something like white, and tertiary color would be black, like this. Then we have the option for team logo. So just select this option, and right from here you can just use the image from community uploads. And also if you wanna use your own image, for that you need to upload that on NBA side, and from there you will able to see that on the my images section. So in my case I have uploaded this image, so I'll just select that and use this image like this and just get back from this. Then you can select this option complete, keep changes and exit. Now at this point we are done with team branding, so we'll head over to arena, select design arena. So here you can just choose the arena from all these options, and also you can choose the arena name as well. I'll just leave that on default. You can also go for jumbotron, as well as you have an option for scorers table, sitting, baskets, sound effects, and all that kind of stuff are fully customizable. Once you're done with them, just hit complete, keep changes and exit. So that's how you can easily done with design arena stuff. Then you can go for design floor as well. You have option for floor, so just choose the one which you like all these stuffs are fully customizable as I said. So you can also hit complete once you're done with this. Then we have the option for uniform. Select that, select the first option home uniform, and just choose this according to liking. You can also choose the uniform for away matches. Just like that you can also design alternate uniform, home accessory, away accessory, and all that kind of stuff. Once you're done with this, hit complete, select the option keep changes and exit. Now you can just hit the start button once you're done with this, and just here you will able to see your team, which you can see here. If you want to move this to anywhere like Pacific, Southwest, Southeast, you can just select that from here. I'll put this on central and just hit the start key again. So here we need to select the team, hit start key again, continue, and just select this third option advance to next season. Select yes. Now here you can see that our team is successfully created. I can just hit the option play game. Here you can see that this is our team, so just you can easily start the game. And yeah guys, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you can create your team in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.